Welcome to the channel. Today, we are answering a critical question for injured workers in Ohio. Can you be fired while you are on workers' compensation? What is workers' compensation in Ohio? Workers' compensation in Ohio provides benefits to employees who suffer work-related injuries or illnesses, including medical treatment, wage replacement, and compensation for certain long-term impairments. Is Ohio an at-will employment state? Yes, Ohio is an at-will employment state, which means employers can generally terminate employees at any time for almost any reason, or even no reason at all. Are there exceptions to at-will employment in Ohio? Yes. Employers cannot terminate employees for unlawful reasons, including discrimination, retaliation, or violations of specific legal protections. Is workers' compensation retaliation illegal? Yes. Ohio law prohibits employers from firing or disciplining an employee because they filed or pursued a workers' compensation claim. Can you still be fired while on workers' compensation? Yes, but not because of your claim. Employers may terminate employees for reasons unrelated to the injury, such as layoffs, business closures, or documented policy violations. What situations can affect fault in a termination decision? Factors may include performance issues, company restructuring, or violations of workplace rules, as long as the termination is not tied to the workers' compensation claim. What happens if you cannot return to work right away? If you cannot return to work immediately, your employer may evaluate your ability to perform essential duties or offer modified or light-duty work if available. What is job abandonment in workers' compensation cases? Job abandonment may be claimed if an employee fails to communicate, does not respond to return-to-work requests, or does not provide required medical updates. What should you do if you are fired while on workers' compensation? You should request written documentation of the termination, preserve all communication, gather employment records, and avoid signing any agreements before seeking legal advice. Do workers' compensation benefits stop if you are fired? No. Being terminated does not automatically end your eligibility for workers' compensation benefits if you still qualify under Ohio law. Why is legal guidance important in these situations? Workers' compensation and employment law can overlap in complex ways. An experienced Ohio attorney can evaluate your case, protect your rights, and help you pursue fair outcomes if retaliation or disputes arise. If you are dealing with a workers' compensation issue or were fired while on a claim, now is the time to act. Reach out to an experienced Ohio attorney today and get clear answers about your rights and next steps.